First rehearsal I fumbled, and it was really just, I was so nervous to even, and you know my part. I'm going full on, like
Yeah,
like
you're
I am,
aggressively
like,
against him.
aggressively against it, and I'm thinking, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is standing right in front of me. This is what I'm doing. नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो भैया. अरे नाटक देखो भैया. नाटक आग है, नाटक पानी, नाटक बचपन और जवानी, नाटक से ही दुनिया सारी, नाटक ताता थैया. अरे नाटक ताता थैया. And then we used to buzz out those dufflies, duck, 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 and the street theatre would start. There's so many nice places in Bandra now
Yeah, that's so
that I
true.
really like to go.
Like
and,
what you can recommend?
Kavos,
Kavos?
Taki
Okay.
Taki, Cafe Noir.
Oof.
They are also part of the same VRO that we have invested in.
Well, hello Moni, welcome to the Bombay Journey.
Thank you.
कैसी
Very
हो आप?
happy to be here. Very happy to be doing this.
Yes, finally.
Finally.
We've been waiting to do this with you since so
you,
long.
You to never called me. So then?
No, what are you saying? Since we did the male feminist on Autofly, we've been thinking of planning this.
Really?
हाँ जी.
Okay, so I'm the ignorant one then.
नहीं रे, आपके पास टाइम नहीं, आप
Apologies.
बहुत शूटिंग कर रही
ऐसे
थी.
कुछ नहीं है. But obviously, I'm very happy that we're doing this today.
क्या अभी इतने पिछले 6 महीने में आपकी 2 चीजें आ चुकी है नहीं?
हाँ.
तो फिर?
तीन actually.
तीन आ गए.
Temptation Island भी आया था.
Just like that. देखो मैं भी शो ऑफ करता हूँ. Open sunroof.
Open sunroof. Oh.
It listens to you and I. देखिए, I think I'm welcoming the entrepreneur also apart from the actor. तो क्या हम बदमाश की तरफ चलें?
Please. बदमाश
कुछ
कमला
खिलाओगी?
कमला मिल्स.
Yes,
जो
Kamla
आप
Mills.
बोलो. What
कुछ
do you
खिला
want?
दो ना.
Vegetarian, non-vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian.
But I'll ask for starters, huh?
हाँ ठीक है डन.
So that we can make it quickly by the time we reach.
Yay, so cool. I love this. I did not know I'll be meeting entrepreneur Mauni today.
I
you're
can't
actually
believe,
doing this?
I can't believe it. Yes, I am.
Thank you. That's
I
so
also
kind
can't
of you.
believe. Benson, hi. You've been informed now. We are coming. So some non-veg starters also keep it ready now, ready to go. Yeah, no, 5. Cut down on 5. So 3 vegetarian and 3 non-vegetarian. 3 vegetarian, 3 non-vegetarian, and some nice mocktail. Do you know, fresh for the summer.
Yes.
है ना? Just two of us. Yes, thank you. See you. So done.
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 आप लगा रही हो चार्जिंग पे, मैं लगा लूँ अपना.
आप लगा लो चार्जिंग पे अपना फोन. Actually दोनों की this is
One of those things that happens in life.
yeah.
right?
But are you also very insecure about your phone battery?
Yes,
I am
yes.
extremely, like, it has to be, and it always goes like this, and then I start panicking. So
As
I'm
soon as it hit
practically-
20%?
Yes, not even 20. I think for me it's 40%, and I really start palpitating, and especially if I'm in another country, then I am like, my biggest essential in my bag is my charger.
है ना?
Huh. I would hate to get lost. Actually, no, sometimes there was this one time, I think in Florence, yeah, because we were like out and about all day, and I did not have my charger, and like the phone went off, and then I couldn't find my friends for a
Oh,
while.
damn.
And Suraj had actually put me in one place and said that you don't move, I'll come back, and I'm not very good with directions. Eventually, I found him, but I was panicky for like 5-10 minutes, but then when I was like, okay, I know where we are staying, so I can take
That's
a
what-
cab and I can reach there.
That's true.
And that's when I enjoyed like an hour by myself. In fact, the person who did not enjoy that 1 hour was Suraj.
Was your husband?
Yeah, because he was like, oh my god, she's so bad with directions, how she will manage?
Oh, you're not
Phone
good
is
with
not
directions, or?
No, very bad.
ये देखिए हम 2 मित्र हैं जो चिट चैट कर रहे हैं, से ज्यादा हम वापस शो के फॉर्मेट पे आते हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है.
देखिए the show is presented by Hyundai Creta Undisputed Ultimate. We have to tell you
Okay.
that हम आपका काफी इंतजार कर रहे थे, बट पहला सवाल ये पूछना पड़ेगा
जी.
कि आप फ्लोरेंस जाएंगी और ऐसी हॉलिडे वाली बातें करेगी एक दिन मुंबई में बैठ के.
हाँ
क्या
जी.
ये कूच बिहार में बैठे बैठे लड़की ने सोचा था?
कभी भी नहीं. आई मीन मुझे आई स्वेयर मेरा कुछ बिहार का लाइफ टाइम और दिल्ली का लाइफ, आई फील्स लाइक 3 different लाइफ टाइम्स.
हाँ क्या?
The life I've had in Kuch Bihar, the life I've had in Delhi, and now Bombay. I never even thought I'd go to Delhi to study, in fact. So I really have to give it to my father to have that kind of ambition, for me.
वो empower किया आपको.
Gee, he was the most, and coming from such a small town, I think I'm the only person who has become an actor from Kuch Bihar. So yeah, so no, I never thought about it, and I'm so very grateful that all this has happened, and yeah, I just feel happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
क्या आपके नगाड़ों के साथ स्वागत होता है कुछ बिहार जाती हैं तब?
No, not really. In fact, I am treated as normally as all my siblings and cousins, and that's home, I guess. And it should be like that.
हाँ क्या?
And also, I come from a very academically
वही तो दादाजी आपके करते थे ना थिएटर.
Gee, but like my father had finished his law school as well. He never pursued it. But like mom was a teacher.
Mom भी theatre करती थी थोड़ा बहुत?
No, never. Mom was a very good singer. But locally, like, in her school functions or in college and this, that. So they are not very...
film first people. आप पूरी outsider हो फिर तो.
Yes, aware of like Bollywood or why do we enjoy such love or such fan following. For them, I am not the actor. For them, I'm just their daughter and their family. So when I go there, they feel happy because I don't get to go so much, and especially now, it's Suraj that they look forward to more. And earlier on, I used to be asked, what do you want to eat? What should be in the menu? And we go for like 4-5 days max. And now my mother will plan like an entire menu. She'll be like, what does he like? What does he not like? So the first time he went, there was a lot of like, it was very spicy and there was a lot of masala.
So बताओ ना क्या था?
Poshto, of course. There was a lot of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes also. Yeah. I'm an vegetarian. My husband is a non-vegetarian.
Super.
So with chicken and mutton, but then he found it extremely spicy. So then my mother understood that, okay, he wants to eat something that is non-spicy. And
क्या था मतलब like kosha mangsho and all?
Kosha mangsho, chingdi mach, ilish katla and all those things.
I love chingdi. It is the best.
And then rasgulla.
Your mouth is also watering.
No, I hate dessert.
You don't like dessert?
No. I
Was
hate
this always
sugar.
ऐसा था आपका?
Always, since childhood.
क्या बात कर रही हो?
Yeah. That's one good
थोड़ा
thing.
ऐसा है, but like, I don't
one
hate.
good thing. I hate dessert. The only dessert I like is probably a Nolan Gure Sandesh once in a month in December when I'm visiting Kolkata.
That's extremely specific, Mauni.
Yes.
इतना specific कौन होता है यार ऐसे?
Now my mouth's watering.
तो मुंबई जब पहली बार आई तो क्यों आई, कैसे आई? क्योंकि मुझे सुनने में आया कि आप खुद ड्रॉप आउट करके आ गई थी.
जी, क्योंकि मैं ड्रॉप आउट एग्जैक्टली नहीं किया था, मैंने एग्जाम तो दिया है.
दिया क्या?
मैंने कभी वो कलेक्ट नहीं किया, अपने सर्टिफिकेट्स कलेक्ट नहीं किए.
Oh damn.
Yeah, because then I realized I'm not never going to go back to.
क्या लगता है जानना जाओगी तो मिल जाएगा?
पता नहीं, अब तो पता नहीं. अब कोई
कौन पूछेगा कि आपकी प्रोफाइल नहीं, मुझे आपका सर्टिफिकेट देखना है.
No, I have a very different point of view about education and certificate and degrees.
ठीक है.
I feel like when you have them, it's almost like having a scrapbook. It's like your like
Data entry
nowadays
time
how kids feel about Instagram and like their TikToks and all. I feel like that about my books and my certificates and my degrees.
हाँ.
I feel like I'll turn to one side of my bed and I'll be like, oh, I have so many certificates. I have this degree. I did my dissertation in Habib Tanvir and Indian Street Theatre. I learned this thing about dancing.
एक बार quickly please just go back 1 second.
I did my dissertation on Habib Tanvir and Indian Street Theatre.
Oh, wow,
yeah.
yeah.
So I wanted to study further. I wanted, honestly, me and my my late father had a dream of me becoming an IAS officer.
Oh, wow.
But because of being born in a Bengali family, I was exposed to dancing and singing since childhood. And I was, how I came to Bombay was that I was walking outside my uni.
Okay.
And somebody tapped my shoulder and said, there are some auditions going on. Would you like to go and audition?
अरे वाह.
And so I went, and there was 2 scripts, girl positive and girl negative. It was for Balaji. Yeah, I found the girl positive line very, very difficult at that point of time because I'm not an actor.
याद है क्या आपको क्या लाइनें थी?
नहीं. And the girl negative was slightly more English. So I was like, okay, I'll go for this.
Nice.
And then I got Krishna Tulsi's part in Kyuki.
वाह यार.
And that's how I came to Bombay. But I came here thinking, because my exams were just getting over, so I thought I'll come here do this as a summer job and then go back.
Nice.
and that never happened because I
I'm glad it did not.
honestly fell in love. Like I used to, and for somebody who's 19 years old, just imagine to come here, and at that point of time our working hours used to be very different. We'd be on sometimes 3 hours, 4 hours sleep, and I'd still not mind it. So I was like,
तो आप
oh,
डबल शिफ्ट एक साथ निकालती थी?
I have. And that was the norm. I was still doing one show and then eventually 2 shows. There were people who were doing 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 shows. So I don't even know how they were managing, but I loved it. That's what made me realize that I want to be here. I want to go through the struggle, the hardships. I want to do something that I feel so passionate about, because I realized one thing very early on, that I may feel tired, I may feel sick, but I never feel like not going on set, or never feel like not going to work. My feet may hurt, but I still want to go to the rehearsal hall after shooting for 15, 16 hours and learn that choreography. So I knew I wanted this.
आप कर्मठ, भयानक कर्मठ टाइप की हो, ऐसा लग रहा है.
हाँ, full.
तो
I used to call myself, my father used to call me a happy labourer.
Happy laborer. Hi to your father who probably is watching over us right now.
Beautiful man.
Yes.
Yeah.
ये बताइए कि जब आप मुंबई आ रही थी तो फिर then Balaji would have taken care of your
initially,
coming in and staying and all of that.
2-3. I stayed in Oshiwara.
हाँ.
Yeah, I'm
किधर कैसे?
forgetting the name of the building.
आसपास कुछ बताओ ताकि हम जाके शॉट लें.
Right on that Nukkar, Mira Towers.
मीरा टावर्स. ओ मीरा टावर्स तो बड़ा फेमस है.
So we were put up, like I think 2-3 of us were put up in a 3 or 4 BHK. But very, like I said, I had some friends.
ये सब आर्टिस्ट थे जिनके साथ आपको पुट अप किया गया था?
नहीं, no.
कौन थे?
They were creatives.
अरे वाह.
Creative girls who was also come from some place, some other state.
अच्छा जी.
And they were staying, and then they were also very new to Balaji and the whole process. So I stayed there I was supposed to be there for a couple of months till I started getting my first check and moved out. But then very soon I met, one of my best friends shifted. Yeah, so eventually I stayed with one of my best friends who had just shifted then.
एक बात बताओ, पहला चेक कितना का था, याद है?
हाँ.
कितने का?
बताऊं?
हाँ, बता सकती हो तो.
It was, I think, 1.5 lakh.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's not bad. Yeah. But we also double shifts, na? Sometimes when you just do your 12 to 12 hours used to increase like that.
Oh.
So in a month you're working like
for
30 days. 30 days में 40 days say you are working, or 35, 36 days.
Oof.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah. कभी याद करती हो वो दिन?
अब मैं आज तक I've never forgotten the girl who set her first foot in Bombay.
Yeah.
I know where I come from. I know my roots. I know the person that I am. I know the person that I have become, and I know my journey. And I know where I want to be, which is to be happy, to be inclusive as a human being towards my family, towards everybody.
The society, yeah.
To the society, and so yeah.
बहुत
I'm
सुंदर.
very, very clear.
वाह यार, ये गर्मी थोड़ी ज्यादा हो रही है. मैं खाली
हाँ,
आपकी
सनरूफ बंद कर रहे हो?
नहीं, वेंटिलेटेड सीट ऑन कर रहा हूँ ताकि
अच्छा.
आपको नीचे से भी कूलिंग मिलती
अरे
है.
वाह!
शो ऑफ.
Humble
Humble show off.
This is great.
है ना? तो फिर बीच में रन का भी आपका क्रेडिट है एक IMDb पे, वो कहाँ से आता है?
वो college. I used to dance I was in the choreography society.
Oh.
So it so happened that one of our choreographers, now don't ask me the name, I cannot remember her name.
जी कोई ना.
She was choreographing. So basically what it was quick money.
Oh yeah.
So she spotted me dancing and she said, do you want to, and believe me, for a college student, 50,000 rupees in 2 days was a lot of money at that point of time.
Thank
and
you
I said, what do I have to do?
sharing.
He's like, oh, you go, you dance and this, that. And in fact, not just me, there are 2-3 of my college, not exactly friends, but they were also in choreography society.
Why,
who were
yeah?
in the song.
Oh,
so
really?
we all went, yeah.
कौन सा गाना है
It
ये?
was fun. Oh God. We'll look it up.
They'll look it up for us. Thank you so much for
Don't
watching
look it,
Mashable
don't
Industry
put
Bombay Journey.
So mean you are.
No, I'm just, this is the
Yeah.
journey na baba.
Yeah, okay.
For
okay,
me, it's
cool.
always like one of those things which is like, wow.
So she said, do you want to go dance and earn quick money and this, that? I said, yeah, okay. What is it? It's a film, this, that. I heard Abhishek Bachchan. I was like, wow. Yeah.
तो ऐसे आपको पहली बार सेट देख के ऐसा अचंभ नहीं हुआ था?
कुछ समझ नहीं आया एक्चुअली.
हाँ,
वो
क्या?
2 दिन कैसे बीता, क्या हुआ, अच्छा गो स्टैंड देयर, डू दिस एक्सप्रेशन, वो उसी में निकल गया, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड yeah, that's it. I think I went, I took a camera. I don't know where that photo is. I clicked a picture with Abhishek sir and asked him for his autograph.
Oh, wow.
and that's it.
क्या बात है, वेरी कूल, वेरी कूल. कभी आप सोची थी कि ऐसा आज एक दिन बैठ के इस बारे में बात करेंगे आप ऐसे?
नहीं, कभी नहीं. In fact, you've actually taken me back, like very, very, way back in the memory lane.
यही तो है, देखिए बॉम्बे
हाँ.
जर्नी का एसेंस ही है.
जी.
आपकी क्योंकि वाली बात करनी पड़ेगी.
जी.
आपने कभी सोचा था मतलब कि आप स्मृति ईरानी जी से टच में, क्योंकि वो उनकी ट्रेजेक्टरी देखिए आप एकदम गजब, आपकी ट्रेजेक्टरी देखिए एकदम गजब.
I have immense love and respect for her, not just now, not just knowing what she's doing for the country now. I remember my first few days on the Kyunki set, and I was still trying to, like I said, like even on when I went for the run shoot, I was clueless and I didn't know. I was just very lost.
Yeah.
I take my own sweet time getting warmed up in any place. I think I'm still warming up to a lot of things in this industry, even after so many years, you know. So it was.
Example कोई?
I'll come back to that.
Wow.
So on the Kyunki set, my initial days were very, and I can have a conversation with you like one-on-one, but I have social anxiety.
Really?
So you leave me in a room full of new people or many people, I can't. Like I have always been that one friend who is hidden behind. That one talkative, very confident, very, like all my best friends are very, very confident.
क्या बात
And
कर रही हो?
yeah, so I have always been that person. So I was absolutely clueless, and I just come from college, so I just hide behind my books. I think Smriti Di was the first person who got me an ice cream. I'd still remember. I asked her, "What are you reading?" This was actually what the book Holy Blood and Holy Grail is based on. I still remember. It's called the Jesus Papers.
Oh, wow.
And she was like, "Have you read the Holy Blood, Holy Grail?" I said, "Yeah." She's like, "You might enjoy this. It's just, there's a lot of numbers and this, that." And the joke between us is I've taken 2-3 books from her and still not returned it. And she's like, "You still not returned the books?"
ये देखिए आज ऑन कैमरा इन्होंने.
नहीं, ये हमारी बहुत ओपनली भी कॉन्वर्सेशन.
फिर ठीक है स्मृति जी, जब आप आएंगी तब हम कुछ करेंगे जुगाड़, ताकि हम 4 किताबें पीछे रख के लाएंगे.
So I absolutely love her, adore her, respect her. I really, really wish I can, you know, I can imbibe some of the qualities of her being so resilient, so strong, so rock solid as a human being. You know, I really look up to her.
आप टच में नहीं हो?
I am kind of.
On and
Yeah,
off.
of course. No, I am.
ये लेकिन मेरे को कभी कभी लगता है बॉलीवुड का ना कि हम लोग सेट पे ऐसे रहते हैं जैसे एकदम मतलब क्या कोई परिवार वालों से भी ज्यादा टाइट,
जी.
और फिर पोस्ट शेड्यूल मतलब फिल्मों में ज्यादा होता है फॉर श्योर कि पोस्ट शेड्यूल आप उतना टच में नहीं रह पाते. क्यों?
देखिए, मेरे साथ जिनके साथ अच्छा है वो उनके साथ है
क्या?
हाँ, मेरे साथ. हाँ, I think I'm a sticky person.
हाँ क्या?
So I stick. I'm like, I'll make the effort, I'll do the calls and the messages. And you know, one can't, no matter what industry, whether it's a film or a TV shoot, or you're shooting an OTT film or project, or you're a doctor, engineer, journalist, it can be any profession. You can't force friendships.
Yeah.
It is what is meant to be happens. Whoever is meant to be in your life stays. Whoever those, you know, people who are toxic and like,
जो जाने होंगे वो निकल जाएंगे.
हाँ, toxic, they're not friends to begin with. So I don't
मतलब
even,
एफर्ट लगता है अगर बहुत फ्रेंडशिप में, तो वो फ्रेंडशिप कैसी?
friendship नहीं है. Also, why do you need toxicity in your life? We anyway deal with so much. We have so much to deal with. Everybody, every single one of us are going through our own struggles in our
ये कुछ
lives.
डिलीट करके बैठी हो क्या फ्रेंड्स?
हाँ, नहीं, not really.
मतलब लाइक वो
No,
फेड अवे हो गई
they
जैसे.
fade away, and then I feel like any person who's a bit toxic or like a backstabber, they're not your friends to begin with. So there's no need for a verbose, there is no need for a confrontation, there is no need for just this is something I realized during the lockdown, you know. Because I had so much time, so I was meditating so much that it was almost like, and I was watching a lot of Sadhguru videos during those times. So one of the videos, he says, you know, we treat our brains like the big dustbin in our homes. Imagine accumulating all the garbage and sitting on top of it. That's how we're treating our brains. So it will stink. You will. So let go of anything that's weighing you down. Let go of anything that's making your heart heavy. Let go of anything. So that's what I did. Like, so.
ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के साथ थोड़ी स्पिरिचुअलिटी आती है साथ में, क्यों?
Really?
ऐसा मैं काफी एंटरप्रेन्योर, जब हम लोग मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स करते हैं इसी सिमिलर फॉर्मेट का, तब मैं काफी एंटरप्रेन्योर से पूछता हूँ
जी.
मतलब अगर मुझे पता होता हम केवल बदमाश की बात करेंगे तो मैं आपके साथ मैशेबल मॉर्निंग नहीं करने आता. हाँ, बट स्पिरिचुअल है आप फिर, क्यों?
हाँ.
कब से हुई?
थी तो बचपन से ही आई थिंक, क्योंकि आदत थी सुबह उठ के नहावा के पूजा वूजा करने की,
अरे
गीता
वाह।
पाठ करने की थोड़ी बहुत. But I think after my father passed away, there was a huge 12 years back. That was a huge shift for me mentally because I just I felt like my world was over, and to only nothing was making me happy. Nothing from the outside was making me happy. So I was like, I have to, and you know, then when your heart is looking for something, it's reaching out for something, you bump into those kind of books, people. You have those conversations,
Correct, सही बोली
and
आप.
then from one thing another thing it leads to another.
Yeah.
Then I found Sadhguru's ashram, and then did the Shambhavi course.
अच्छा जी.
Inner engineering. Then I did Shunya. Then because of my practices and yoga and this and that. So yeah.
बहुत सुंदर यार.
Thank you.
मुझे ये सब नया पता चल रहा है आपके बारे में.
सच्ची.
हाँ.
और
अब
हम
हम
talk
भी
about
एकदम-
these things more.
You should ना.
Hmm.
हम भी सीलिंग पे हैं, देखिए एकदम ऐसे स्पिरिचुअलिटी की
Oh
बात
my
है,
God,
एकदम
ये
अलग वाइब
सीलिंग
है
में
यार.
पहली बार आई थी ना, I was like, हाय कितना सुंदर. पता है आपको, यहाँ से जब वापस आएंगे तो मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको. M दिखता है थोड़ी दूर
हाँ
से.
हाँ, पूरा मुंबई.
हाँ, मुंबई.
बांद्रा फोर्ट से या वर्ली फोर्ट से आप आइदर और ले सकते हैं. मैं तो
हाँ.
मस्त अडेप्टिव क्रूज कंट्रोल ऑन कर लिया हूँ भाई. तो मैं सुकून से अगर एक हल्का आँख इधर रखूँ तो आपसे बात भी कर
कर
सकता हूँ.
सकते नहीं, पर ऐसे ही सीधे सीधे
नहीं नहीं,
देख के
पूरा
right
पूरा
कीजिए.
मैं ऐसे ध्यान
हाँ.
रख के चलता हूँ. मुंबई की आपकी कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पर, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम बदमाश, जहाँ आप खाने पसंद करती हैं या कहीं चली जाती हैं, जहाँ पाई जाती हैं आप?
अभी तो बदमाश मैं again I'm still a homebody unless and until my friends make a plan and you take me anywhere with
But who are
good
foodie?
food. I love food, yeah. But I love homemade food, homemade Bengali food.
वाह.
I keep eating it. I know I myself know how to make it, and my cook, my help, she also knows how to make it. I can make like some 7 different kind of egg curry.
ओह वाह.
Egg poshto, one with
एक पोस्तो.
egg poshto.
मैंने
Yum.
सिर्फ तुरई का पोस्तो
Yum. It's
और
there at
आलू
home
पोस्तो
right
खाया.
now. If you want, I'll get when you drop me, I'll pack some and give it to you.
ओ माय गॉड, मैं पोस्तो खाया लेकिन फुल नींद आता है मेरे को.
Yeah, poshto के साथ नींद आता है.
पोस्तो खाते ही
And
फिर मैं सोने के लिए रेडी होता हूँ.
So I like my home food, but there are so many nice places in Bandra now
Yeah, that's so
that I
true.
really like to go. And,
Like what you can recommend?
Kavos,
Kavos.
Taki Taki, Cafe Noir.
Oof.
They are also part of the same VRO that we have invested in.
ये देखिए
But they are my
सुतुल
favorite.
प्लग.
They are also kind of our places. So
वो मेरा दोस्त है यश सिंह ठाकुर, वो ऐसे ही करता है. वो लेके जाएगा मेरे को मित्रों, बोलेगा हाँ तो बिल मैं करता हूँ पे, वैसे भी घूम के घर में ही आना है. बहुत सुंदर, वेरी नाइसली डन, वेरी
So
नाइस.
of course.
तो ये कैसे हुआ? हाउ डिड यू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्योर?
It's actually my husband.
Okay.
And his, I did want to do something else and not just be one dimensional with like acting and dancing. Like this industry ke bahar also, I wanted to do something. And Suraj was like, you have to find a place where your true passion lies. Because, you know, it's never been like, oh, I'll be the face, I will click a photo, I'll speak, like I'll say one line on the
you'll do
opening,
two
and then you are
events.
not 2 events and you're done with it. It's
Correct.
not like that. It's not a brand endorsement. If you want to create your own legacy, if you want to create something of your own, then you have to be totally 100% invested in it.
तो आप
And
मतलब
then-
बैक ऑफ द किचन जाके काम वाम कर रही होती हो?
नहीं, पर मैं इन्वॉल्व होती हूँ.
Very
चाहे
nice.
कैसी होगी जगह या खाना क्या क्या. That's why there's a cocktail called Monilicious.
Yes.
There are favorites. My favorites from say when I have I go to Bangalore and I've had
चार है
like
ना बैंगलोर में आपके?
Andhra food. Yeah.
Yes. मैं सब रिसर्च करके आते हैं, बहुत
Andhra
जोर की.
food, and so I have specific, like not that I make the whole menu, but I'll have like these 4 or 5 things, and I'd be like, okay, we really want this mushroom shakuti or avocado bhel. So so there are things that I really like.
Avocado bhel is something that I think I've tried.
Tried.
Absolutely mind
It's
blowing.
there today also.
Oh,
yeah,
thank
it's
you.
there for you. And so there are a few things, something like Bengali with Bengali aloo with a twist and things like that. So like I was saying, Suraj realized I am truly passionate about food, and I'm truly passionate about Indian food. Because even when we went abroad, after a couple of days, I'm like, please find me an Indian restaurant. Like I am that person.
Very nice.
Yeah. So he's like, let's do something, and we had kind of invested with the VRO.
Yes.
Overall.
Okay.
But then Don and Subin, they're all Bangalore boys. Don, Subin and Suraj. So we realized, why not partner up and
Create
create a restaurant which is Indian but with a fusion, but can turn into a party place after a certain, because
Time.
you know, family like your mummy, papa, uncle, auntie, they'll only come and eat till like 10:30, and after that it's kind of youngsters that they
Yeah.
want to go out and like enjoy the evening or
Yes.
like dance
Dance.
and party and on Bollywood songs. Like no matter what, when you're in India, beyond a point, like after some time we all
Bollywood
want
मांगता है।
Hindi music.
ये बात
Hindi,
पे लाइक
Punjabi
कीजिए,
music.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Huh. So I was like, and I was just looking at Dawn's, Suraj and Subin's faces, because they were like, they love international music, and I'm like, too bad, guys. This is what we're doing, and we're doing
Sorry,
it.
folks.
Sorry, folks.
Whoever loves this, मुझे तो 2 गानों के बाद हिंदी
मुझे
गाना
भी,
मांगता ही
मुझे
है।
भी।
और बदमाश नाम कौन सोचा?
बदमाश नाम उन्होंने सोचा।
उन्होंने
मैंने,
सोचा क्या?
हाँ, but I was asked to, unanimously everybody loved बदमाश।
अच्छा, और कोई
That's
ऑप्शन
the
भी
name.
थे?
थोड़े बहुत।
कुछ बता सकते
नहीं।
हैं? अच्छा, अरे।
No, those are none. That's
फुल
fine.
गॉस निकालने की
Why?
कोशिश।
But this is not gauze. This is not needed information.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's one of those things. After a while, I forget that you're a guest and I'm a host. I become friends and then I'm like, अच्छा और कोई नाम बता। Sorry, it's one of those things
No,
that
no.
I end up doing. मुंबई में कमला मिल्स में है
हाँ,
और
कमला मिल्स।
अंधेरी में। अंधेरी
अंधेरी
वाले में
में।
अपन मेल वेमनिस किए।
हाँ।
या हम लोग बॉम्बे
बॉम्बे
जाएंगे।
जर्नी
क्या
कर रहे हैं।
बात है,
Yay!
भावनी, ये क्या प्लग्स है, वाह वाह वाह। बट आपको आपकी लव स्टोरी के बारे में थोड़ा बताना पड़ेगा।
सबको बताया, अब और क्या बताऊं मैं।
हाँ, वो आपकी दोस्त ने बोला वो
कि जाके बात कर लो। मैंने बात नहीं किया, उन्होंने बोला हाय बोलो तो। या
ये मुझे तो याद है।
मैं शादी के बारे में बताती हूँ।
हाँ, क्योंकि
I
ये
think not
मलयाली बंगाली
मलयाली और बंगाली
वो है ना, क्या
हाँ।
बोलते हैं, मिश्रण है।
बट when I go, like I was home for Vishu.
या
We opened another Badmash also in Bangalore very
Huh.
recently, and then the next day was Vishu, and our Bengali New Year also falls on the same day, Poila Boishakh.
यस
So there are so
Shubha
many
Navabarsho,
things.
Pranam
Shubha
Neo.
Navabarsho to you too.
एंड
Happy
हैप्पी
Vishu.
विशु।
And so I realized a lot of the things are very, very similar, you know. The
ऐसा
food
क्या?
is हाँ केले के पत्ते में खा रहे हैं.
हाँ।
The sari that we wear, morning pujas, the things that we do, like, and, you know, both Bengali and Malayali culture, we give art, literature, singing, dancing, both of them are matriarchal society. So it's,
both produce mental cinema,
yeah.
crazy good cinema.
Thank you. So yeah, what I was talking about was, though, I think
The wedding.
No, what do you want to know about the wedding? Tell me.
Just
Everybody's, I think, seen the wedding. My
That's also
friends
true.
are such hooligans. I had requested them that till I post, please don't post anything. I think since the moment Haldi started, everybody knew what's
you went
happening
viral
at my
on
wedding.
social media.
What was happening at the wedding, because all my friends were posting everything.
नहीं, हमें तो इसलिए जानना है कि हमारी पैंडेमिक शादी हुई
अच्छा.
और अगर हमें ये 2 कल्चर मिश्रण करने हैं तो हम कैसे करें, क्योंकि एंट्री आपकी वैसी हुई
हाँ. नो, मेरी उस वक्त तक मलयाली शादी हो चुकी थी मॉर्निंग में already.
अच्छा, तो पहला मलयाली शादी हो गया
हाँ,
सुबह।
पहले 2, क्योंकि वो छोटा होता है ना, 20-25 मिनट्स का होता है, and the timing was 8:30 in the morning.
अरे वाह वाह।
So that happened in the morning, but I got married twice on the same day.
Very
no?
nice, very nice.
No, when it was very nice in theory,
Yes,
but
very
when I had
tiring
to
in
get
reality.
yes, and then, you know, as a dulhan, you really have to, like. But I was really. I think everybody calls me like the coolest bride, because I was getting ready in like 20 minutes, half an hour, even
What?
before my friends. I'd knock my friends. Yeah. My friends, they're in, like, my best friend Anisha.
हाँ,
You know, there is a thing called जहाँ पे आप like 2 best friends आके चुन्नी उड़ाते हैं, because
Okay.
usually sisters करते हैं, but I don't have a real sister.
हाँ,
So 2 of my friends, and because I was fully ready, Anisha has come in a lehenga blouse and in a Puma shorts.
ये
Do
क्या?
a proper ritual. I said, Anisha, because she's like, you're so fast. I don't know what to do. In the morning also, I am ready. None of my friends are there. I'm calling everyone. Where are you? They made me miss my sunset shots because none of my friends were there.
You all know
And I
how
was
much
like,
the sunset shots matter to film people.
Yeah, not just film people. I just think like it's just such a nice shot.
Yeah, that's true. But
it's okay.
I'm still stuck at you get ready in such a short time.
Yeah, because my hair makeup person has also been with me for decades, so they know exactly what to do, and like yeah. And we've
You cut your
decided
hair
all the
though?
looks. Yes.
Yeah, nice look.
On a whim. One
On
day
a
I was
whim?
just getting ready, and then my stylist and my hairdresser said, you know, with this outfit, short hair will look really good. Cut. And it's also a trivia. when Siddhant, if Siddhant sir ever sees this, he'll kill me. He's the director of my next film called The Virgin Tree. Name might change, I don't know yet. It's a horror comedy, and my continuity was that long. But we had a wig because we need lots of hair.
Of course.
But then I didn't know what to do with the front hair, so we were perpetually going and pinning it at the back. And he would say, "There's something different with your hair." I'm like, "No." I'm like, "No."
कितना
He
समय
knew,
तक आप छुपा
of
के रख
course.
पाएंगे?
He knew, but
knew.
it's just that it wasn't showing or mattering on camera, so nobody said anything. But I didn't realize it. I didn't clock it. Sometimes I'm like, and I'm looking at my manager Trish also. I'm telling her, why didn't you tell me? He's like, oh, that was looking nice. We all thought you should cut it, so you wanted to cut it, so it's okay.
Nice. But was it the hair cut during a transition phase in your life?
No, right now in
ऐसे
February.
just उठ के
February. Literally, we were going for some award function and like.
बहुत सुंदर. Anyway, so continue in the wedding story.
What do you want to know about the
हाँ,
wedding?
so entry आपका पूरा उलियोनी के साथ वैसे ही हो गया, फिर वो
हाँ.
शंख बज के, तो one of those things happened. Okay.
So first Malayali wedding happened, and then in the evening. So basically, what happened was both the mothers were very adamant that they wanted a Mallu wedding, and my mom wanted a Bengali wedding. And
Correct.
then they were feeling bad if we were trying to bring up, saying let's keep one ceremony,
हाँ.
and then that way we could have cut one day. Like in the morning, if we did one wedding, in night we would have had like a Sangeet. I wanted to do the Sangeet last. That
Okay.
was my thing because we didn't have a wedding reception because of the pandemic.
Okay.
So both the mothers would go upset the moment we would try to say. Then we were like, so we will do both weddings on the same day. So next day we did a pool party in the day and the Sangeet at night. It was so much fun.
Yeah.
And we played so many games. Girls side won.
Of
all
course.
of them.
Of course. ये तो देखिए हर शादी का वो होता है कि आप कौन सी साइड से आए हैं और फिर जीते कौन. बहुत सुंदर मजेदार. ये बताओ कि जो अपना नागिन की कहानी है
जी.
वो कैसे हुई, क्योंकि वो आपके करियर का एक बहुत डिफाइनिंग ट्रैक है पूरा.
जी. इनफैक्ट नागिन के शुरू होने से पहले आई वाज इन अ फेज वेयर आई थॉट माय लाइफ वाज ओवर.
What?
Because I'll tell you, it's not that grim.
Okay,
Not
okay.
that grave or
Thank you,
sad,
thank you.
but like I was just severely unwell. I had finished Jhalak Dikhla Ja,
हाँ.
and I had an L4, L5 complete slip degeneration. I had a scoliosis on my spine, couldn't stand straight. I put on like I don't know how many kgs, and they were not like wasn't good weight, like because I was on some 30 pills a day.
Oh, no.
And injections sometimes. I had taken an epidural in my spine. It was a very, very bad
Of course,
time.
I mean, if that is
Yeah,
your L4,
so I
L5.
was bedridden for like about 3 months, and this is when I get a call for Nagin. But I had already done Mahadev by then, so I was like, maybe I shouldn't be doing
another big soap.
No, not big soap. Maybe not something mythological or something like not even mythological, like a fantasy fiction maybe.
हाँ.
So I still remember Varun had called me from Balaji. So he said, you come and you meet the team, you meet ma'am and you see. So when I met ma'am, the moment I think within 10-15 minutes, and the way she gives narrations is unbelievable and
अच्छा, एकता जी खुद
outstanding.
नरेट करती है.
Not always,
हाँ.
but like she was very passionate about this project.
Okay.
Yeah, and I had already gotten my brief. So this was, I was going to meet, like I had requested, can I come and meet Ekta ma'am?
हाँ जी.
To kind of decide whether I should do it or not. And then in 10 minutes, I was like, I really want to do it. So it's like that. And it was supposed to be a limited series, no? So I said 3 months.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a 3-month thing.
Really?
It went on for 10 months in the first season. And then I think about 11 months in the second season, and then rest, they've done like some 7 seasons
Yeah.
so far. And it's such a blessed show, I feel, because like this show has given everybody so much, and I think I'll forever be grateful to Ekta ma'am for Nagin. Yeah, absolutely.
आइए मौनी, एक नया सेगमेंट लाए हैं हम लोग, अल्टीमेट ऑब्सेशंस प्रेजेंटेड बाय Hyundai Creta. ये बताइए कि आपकी अनडिस्प्यूटेड रोड ट्रिप फेवरेट कौन सी होगी?
रोड ट्रिप? ओह,
और आप हो क्या रोड ट्रिप वाले लोग?
सूरज है तो उसकी वजह से आई थिंक एक फ्लोरेंस टू रोम था और
आप लोग ड्राइव कर रहे थे?
नो, ट्रेन ड्राइव सब कुछ था उसमें.
अरे वाह.
And there was which place to Cannes did I go? But I went alone because
Really?
last year, I was on a holiday. This was also Florence to Cannes. Last year I was on a holiday with all my friends and their husbands and Suraj, and I was supposed to go to Cannes, and we were trying to figure out like flights. And then Suraj realized that it's just a 4, 5, 6 hour journey on road.
Yeah.
And in fact, flight was connecting flights, and it was taking me longer to reach Cannes.
Really?
So yeah, I went on, and I was so scared. Like I was like, oh my god, I don't know the driver. But I had so much fun. I in fact stopped midway. I clicked photos. I stopped at a gas station, picked up like food supplies, sat in the car, listened to music, and
Just
like,
middle
it was
class European
fun.
life.
Yeah, it was so much fun. And you know, I've never been on a solo trip, so this was both. Even though I was a little hesitant,
Anji.
it was very exciting. By the end of it, I was feeling great that I did this by myself.
I love it.
So yeah.
It's so nice, so much fun. But कुछ ऐसी चीजें पाती हो क्या अपनी जिंदगी में जो आपको लगता है यार कि अल्टीमेटली मिडिल क्लास ही हैं हम लोग टाइप थोड़ा सा?
हर रोज.
हाँ क्या?
हर रोज.
क्या टाइप?
Like I don't know, the food that I eat, the values that I have, how do I explain it now? Like I just.
The way we treat people.
I am who I am
हाँ.
because of the values that my parents have given me, because of how I was brought up. So that never goes away. I think you are the person you are. Of course, you adapt to change. Change is the only constant, and
Yeah.
you learn new things. But your core person, in the core that you are, that never really goes away. So I still have that mindset. I still have my do's and don'ts. I still have my rights and wrongs. Like I never forget something like that my father told me as a child. I think I mentioned it in our last interview also. Like there's great power in the power of negation. You have to know when to say no.
You're right. I took
And
that home with me.
Yes. So there were a lot of things like this that I used to not understand as a child, but it makes so much sense now. And I think these are the kind of things that I would want to give out to my next generation as well.
That's so true.
Yeah.
आप मना की हो कोई ऐसी फिल्म जो फिर आपको लगा हो कि यार गलत मना हो गया?
हाँ.
हाँ.
नाम नहीं बताऊंगी.
नहीं, मैं नाम पूछ भी नहीं रहा.
हाँ.
बट ब्रह्मास्त्र के बाद अलग सैलाब आया क्या?
रिस्पेक्ट आया.
हाँ.
जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम आपको बताया
जी.
that people अलग सैलाब तो I realize, you know, I honest बोलूंगी, मुझे उस वक्त लगा था कि और भी बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा. But I've realized now one thing, especially people like me, people who have come from outside of the industry,
Yeah.
it is always going to be a bit of a struggle to land that next part, because
Even after Brahmastra?
even
Gauri?
after a Brahmastra, because of say lack of information. And I'm not saying because of anything else, because we mostly never know what's being made, who to go meet. Even if I am
That's so
ready to
true.
audition, and
Yeah.
even if I want to do it, there is just lack of information. There's just lack of somebody taking your name again and again in a room full of people where films and things are getting made. So it is always going to be a struggle, and I am okay with it. I still choose this industry. I still love this industry. I still love what I do, and I'm not going to sit and complain about it.
No,
Nobody
thank you
is
for sharing
asking.
even this much
Yeah,
of
because
vulnerability. Is just amazing to know that
no, because I have just decided to be honest now about how I feel about everything.
up top.
Because what's the point otherwise? Going round and round and round.
नहीं 100% यार.
If I
ये
don't want to
बताओ-
do an interview, I'd not do it to begin with,
No,
right?
thank you,
So if
thank
I'm
you.
doing something, then I'd rather be honest.
Thank you. That's so nice of you. ये बताइए कि शाहरुख साहब अल्टीमेट सुपरस्टार क्यों हैं आपके हिसाब से?
I can cry thinking about those times still. Like I really, it was so starstruck.
You were starstruck?
So starstruck. That was the first time I was ever meeting him. Like, just say that I had not even socially met him anywhere or said
Acha,
hello.
acha.
No, actually I did. You remember there was this show called, he used to do, like KBC, the other show. So there I had gone like Krishna Tulsi, but I was sitting in the audience.
Oh.
So I had seen him then, yeah.
But वो तो मतलब अलग इंटरेक्शन है, ये अलग इंटरेक्शन है.
interaction है. So when I met him for the first time, and you know, so in the Vanity, an AD had come in and said that you're done with your lines. Na? He's very prepared always, and this. And I said, yeah. And I'm usually good with my lines because of television, because we're
Correct.
so used to like.
मैं तो आपको ये पूछने वाला था कि आप वो गर्मा गर्म प्रिंट आउट पढ़ के 10 मिनट के अंदर सीन दे सकती हो ना?
हाँ,
है ना?
अब कर सकती हूँ. तो but ये तो बहुत पहले मिल गया था
हाँ.
scene. So I had prepped, I was ready. First rehearsal I fumbled, and it was really just, I was so nervous to even, and you know my part. I'm going full on like
Yeah,
like
you're
I am,
aggressively
like,
against him.
aggressively against it, and I'm thinking, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is standing right in front of me. This is what I'm doing. Like this is what my character is doing to his character.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, oh my god, it was, I think, one of the
लंबा भी होगा ना वो.
best 7 days of shoot.
7 days of
7
shoot.
night of shoots or shoot of my life.
और यही
For
मुंबई
sure.
में हुआ था.
जी, महबूब में हुआ था स्टूडियो में. It was a studio.
What a guy.
What a guy.
What a
So
story you have.
witty, so
Yeah.
witty. I had so many questions.
आपको ऐसे ब्रह्मास्त्र 2 का वो लगता है क्या कि अभी
You know, I'm not a hypothetical person.
हाँ.
I think everything, it's Ayan's baby and it's in his head, and I think he's busy with another film at the moment.
करेक्ट.
So we'll know when he actually
हाँ.
plans to do it or get on with it.
अरे वाह.
हाँ.
मैं आपको एक अल्टीमेट बात बताता हूँ. आज सुबह ही हम राज के साथ करके हटे तो मेरे को मेड इन चाइना आपकी बड़ी मस्त लगी थी पिक्चर.
Thank you.
ये मुंबई की बातें कुछ करते चलते हैं कि आपको फेवरेट स्लैंग कौन से यहाँ के अच्छे लगते हैं? एनी वर्ड्स दैट यू आर फैसिनेटेड बाय?
याद दिलाओ.
जैसे मतलब आ रेला जा रेला बोल रेला कर रेला, ये जो भाषा है हमारी मुंबईया, जो मिश्रण है पूरी मराठी
मैं
गुजराती,
बोल नहीं पाती पर सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
फिर भी कोई वर्ड नहीं आपको ऐसे वो करते कि अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है? जैसे आगे कमला गिरेगा.
हाँ, आगे कमला गिरेगा. Everything sometimes you make it. There's no स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग.
हाँ
जो मुंह में है बोलो.
हाँ. The Bengali in you must be really happy.
Yeah, really happy.
ये मेरे को आता है, ये मेरे को आता है. कमला का एंट्री ये है ना?
जी, I think so.
city हो गई
I'm.
अभी.
You're asking the wrong person about directions, huh?
हाय
I'm
ना.
telling you that
तो आप क्या पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस हो पूरा?
all the time.
ऑल द टाइम.
All the time.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत
That's why I'm very stress free also. Like मैं प्लानिंग करते हो जब हम लोग सोचो जो 4 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके हस्बैंड्स, तो 8 लोग अगर हॉलीडे पे गए हैं 12 दिन के लिए, मेरी तरफ से कोई स्ट्रेस ही नहीं होता है. वो जो जिसको प्लान करना है, मैं हाँ, मेरे को अगर पहले से कहीं जाना होगा 2-3 जगह में जो मैंने सोचा हुआ है, दैट इट्स अ म्यूजियम और अ थीम पार्क और लाइक सम प्लेस दैट सम लाइब्रेरी आई हैव टू विजिट, आई विल टेल देम this is the place I have to go, whether you guys want to come or not, you don't, I will go myself.
अरे वाह.
Otherwise, whatever these guys are planning, because they're great, na?
Wow.
They're all great at finding party places or beach clubs or this and that. I just follow.
I want
So
to
I
be
don't
you
need to know anything.
in these parties, like
Yeah.
or these places. Yeah.
I don't need to do
बढ़िया life.
anything. I'll just follow chup chap and have a good time and come back.
वाह 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 वाह.
Stress free.
Subtle.
Na?
Wow. Out of this world.
Yeah. We're quite proud of the food here.
So cool. You were hungry also?
Not really. I just ate before leaving.
अब हमने तो खाने का बात कर लिया है. खाना तो बनता है. ये शेर का लोगो कैसे आया?
I don't know. मैं सच्ची बोलूँ तो I wanted, like I'm fascinated with tigers, so I wanted
Thank you.
it. Also, their thing was if it is Moni, Royal Bengal tiger.
Oh.
So yeah, so it was kind of, that was the concept, thought behind it.
Okay जी. Wow, that was so good. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. हमारे क्रू के लिए भी आपने खाना रखवा दिया है. ये देखिए ये बैग्स
Of course,
है
of
जिनको
course,
मैं
of
दिखाऊंगा
course,
लोगों
of
को.
course.
ये देखिए.
No, that's so kind of you to do this. Thank you.
Always. मेरे को मुंबई की बारिश की कोई कहानी है तो बताओ.
बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं. बारिश पहले बहुत ज्यादा पसंद थी, अभी भी पसंद है एक्चुअली बारिश, जब आप शूट नहीं कर रहे हो तो.
सही बोलिए आप.
जब काम करना होता है बारिश में, इट इज माय गॉड, लाइक एंड विद दैट हेयर मेकअप, like you know, taking care of your costume in the rains, then it's a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
But oh my god, बारिश, coffee और किताब, what
और
a
आपकी खिड़की.
combination. Oh my god, like, and then all kind of bhajiyas, aloo bhajiyas, what are they called?
पनीर पकोड़ा.
But not paneer, I don't eat, but aloo bhajiyas and onion bhajiyas and
हाँ.
like the mixed bhajiya का जो platter आता है.
बेस्ट होता है.
Yum,
बेस्ट होता है.
yum, yum, yum,
अनियन
yum.
अनियन आलू मिर्ची भजी.
मिर्ची का भजिया. Oh my
मिर्ची
god.
भजी क्या होती है यार.
Oh my god.
आप
So,
कभी
हाँ.
हैदराबाद जाओ तो मिर्ची भजी खाना.
ठीक है, डन. मैंने खाया है वहाँ पे.
वो मस्त.
अनबिलीवेबल.
गोकुल चाट की खाना.
अनरियल. बैंगलोर में वहाँ गए हो आप, नागार्जुना?
सवाल. हम लोग जाके पहले नागार्जुना मिल जाते.
सबसे पहले आई गो, मतलब मैं काम के लिए गई हूँ, हॉलीडे पे गई हूँ, घर जा रही हूँ तो, बट आई गेट ऑफ एंड देन फर्स्ट स्टॉप इज नागार्जुना ऑलवेज.
सवाल.
Unbelievable.
Do you all
Oh,
have
wow.
AC fights at home?
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? Who doesn't? I would like to know all couples watching this, please let us know in the comments if you all have managed to strike AC balance.
Oh my god, it's so difficult. Till date, it's been what, 5.5 years we've been together. Every single time.
Her eye roll is real. Like she was just like.
It makes music. The AC makes music.
That's true.
Yeah.
So you're the 24
It's a
kind and
vibe.
he's the 18-16 kind?
Not 18-16, but 19-20.
Adjust
But that's
ho gaya.
very no, even then that's very cold. And I feel cold with like a thick blanket in 24. So yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
just,
like right now. You have
no, I can.
it's mine.
I luckily have sync and no sync capabilities. So I'm
Yeah.
really happy. Otherwise, I'd be really tensed if my guest got uncomfortable. Because when you get cold, you start thinking also like sort of differently. I
think
guess.
so.
I guess.
Yeah, weather changes everything.
है ना? मुंबई के लोगों की कोई कहानियाँ और क्या लगता है मुंबई के लोगों के बारे में आपको?
घर है अब तो फैमिली
जी।
लगती है.
हाँ.
Even though I don't understand Marathi, when they talk in Marathi, I mean I can't speak Marathi, but when they talk now, just because I've heard it for so many years
हाँ.
around me, I understand a few things, and it feels like how my mother tongue feels.
Yeah.
So yeah, fully. I think people are very, very cool here.
Yeah.
It's one of the safest cities in the country.
That's so true.
I don't feel weird or awkward wearing anything, sitting in my car driving from one place to another, even at 3 in the morning. So that feels good that we live in a city that is safe for women,
Yeah.
both men and women both.
Correct.
And so that's what I feel, and I love the city, and I think the city loves me also, and it has given me so much, and everything I am, everything I have today. So I will always be grateful.
ये
Mom
मला
is
पण
home.
मला पण माहिती आहे पण बोलू शकत नाही मराठी.
आणि मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली.
ये बहुत सुंदर. ये देखिए हमने अपनी अपनी जो बातें हैं वो बता दी.
हाँ जी.
बट आई हैव दिस लाइन इन बंगाली आल्सो.
What?
मैं समझ सकता हूँ लेकिन बोल नहीं सकता.
আমি বুঝতে পারি কিন্তু বলতে পারি.
yes, আমি বুঝতে পারি কিন্তু বলতে পারি না.
Yes.
Nice.
Mind blowing.
Yes.
Mind blowing.
ये. And then I know some slang. बंगाली slang आपके कोई favorite? गोडेर वो तो है ही.
अरे नहीं, स्लैंग नहीं बोलती, छोड़ो.
नहीं आप ऐसे.
Not the good ones, I don't know. I like saying ish. Ish, and I like
the sounds.
in Mallu. Yeah, the sounds. I love Mallu Kutti.
Mallu Kutti.
I like Da is boy and D
Yeah.
is girl.
Yeah.
So if you have to if you have to discipline somebody, you go Da.
Da.
D. So that, and I love.
थोड़ा गुस्से से करो ना फिर.
I've been using this a lot actually. Ayo. Because my husband uses it. I find it so cute. So I have kind of stolen this word from him.
Yeah.
Like, ayo.
Dissertation.
I was a part of this Ramsock in Jamia.
Oh, wow.
So I still remember the opening lines when you call people. Nukkad Natak shuru karne se pehle. It said, can I say it to you?
You should clap and like
Okay.
do the whole vibe also.
Okay. It goes, नाटक देखो नाटक देखो भैया, अरे नाटक देखो भैया, नाटक आग है नाटक पानी, नाटक बचपन और जवानी, नाटक से ही दुनिया सारी, नाटक ताता थैया, अरे नाटक ताता थैया. And then we used to बजाओ those dufflies, and the street theater would start.
क्या बात है.
इतना मजा किया है कॉलेज में. This was Jamia. My puppies are taking a walk.
Are those yours?
No, those पीछे जो थे.
Oh, क्या नाम है उनके?
Theo और Arthur.
Theo और Arthur क्या breed है ये?
Theo Maltese, Arthur is a toy poodle.
Ooh, fancy. Thank you so much for being on the Bombay journey. कैसा लगा आपको?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपको कैसा लगा ये वार्तालाप करके?
अरे यार मैं लोगों को फिर से बताना चाहूंगा कि आप लोग जो भी कीवर्ड्स के साथ मौनी के नाम को सर्च करते हैं वो छोड़ दीजिए और इनकी ये इंटेलिजेंट एंड क्वर्की एंड फन साइड को देखिए, स्पिरिचुअल साइड को देखिए. मैं लास्ट टाइम एक्चुअली सरप्राइज था, मैंने आपको बताया भी था
जी.
कि पता नहीं क्यों हमारी लीडिंग लेडीज की एक तरीके की इमेज को ही मीडिया बार बार प्रोजेक्ट करती है, क्योंकि वो ग्लैम सिर्फ आपके रोल से नहीं, वो यहाँ से भी आ रहा होता है, क्योंकि मीडिया वही हेडलाइन लिखेगी ना बार बार कि स्पॉटेड
I
लुकिंग
would
लाइक
also
दिस.
I will also request them. We all have many different sides to us, and so
Yeah, we spoke
actually
so much.
हम सबको भी खुद से भी करना चाहिए अपने लिए.
No, we spoke so much about you being an entrepreneur today. That's one of the highlights for me.
Thank you.
I have a
I
lot of food.
loved doing this with you, having this conversation with you. We loved going to Badmash. Go to
Yay.
Badmash. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll see you soon.
Yes.
Bye.
ये देखिए, अगर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा टू मैशेबल इंडिया। और ये जब दुबई
Like,
जाएंगे,
share, subscribe.
हाँ, ये जब दुबई जाएंगे तो आप दुबई जर्नी करेंगे वहाँ पर।
हाँ, of course.
तो रणविजय को मिलवा देंगे आप।
ठीक है, done.
आप जाके मैशेबल मिडल
Bye
ईस्ट सब्सक्राइब
bye.
कर लो।
Bye bye. Lots of love.
थैंक यू।